Okay, now.
I'm going to draw out the little nub, and it's going to be sticking out of the tire. I'm going to make that a little bit bigger. All right, and then what I want to do is I want to drag this down so it's on the circle. And then I want to make sure that these two are centered. So I'm using the horizontal align center. Okay, so I have my little nubbin. And then I'm going to go to the rotate tool. I'm going to take the crosshair, which is where it's rotating around, and I'm going to drag this down until it snaps to the center of the big circle, which means that whatever I do here is going to basically be rotating around the entire circumference of the big circle.
And this is the crosshair.
Yes, that little tiny blue thing. I'm going to zoom in just a little bit so I get a finer run of measurements. So now what I'm going to do is, since I have the rotate tool, if I drag it over, then what I'm doing is I'm moving it. If I hold down the Option key, as you can see, the cursor doubles. There's the little white triangle behind the black triangle. There's a little shield next to it that's basically telling me how many degrees I'm moving it. I'd like it to be 10 because I know that that's divisible by into 360. I'll get 36 of these. 9.97 is fine. There's unfortunately no way of typing in this stuff.
Yeah, I was just wondering that.
But 9.97 is okay. So release the mouse and release the thing. So now I have duplicated the nubbin. Now, what I basically told Illustrator is that Illustrator is remembering that I rotated this 10 degrees around the center point of the big circle. So if I use the duplicate function, which is up in Edit, no, it's not an Edit. Where is it? Object? Where did they hide it this time? They keep moving things around.
And select or window or effect, maybe?
No. Anyway, Command D is duplicate in Illustrator. So if I hit Command D, then that is basically going to duplicate the exact same thing, basically copying the nubbin 10 degrees around the circumference of the big circle. So if I keep hitting the duplicate button, then I'm going to basically copy it 35 times, and that's going to give me 36 nubbins around a black circle.
How do you know how many you did?
Because you know, if I started here and I went all the way around the circle, then it'd be 36.